can probably just pop it down there without using the tweezers. I don't think it's got far to go, but you might want to lower it down. What did I do with the spark plug spanner? So this spark plug spanner. Alright, this time we're tightening up, but not over tightening, and definitely do not cross thread spark plug. I'm not going to do it too tight. Then it's put the lead back on, press down, make sure it's secured, and you hear it go on. Okay, because you don't want anything getting in there. Okay, that's kicked on properly now. I'm going to do the other three. This lead appears to be alright, this HT lead. The HT leads don't seem to be in too bad a condition, so there you are. HT leads don't seem to be in too bad a condition, so I'm going to leave them on there for now. Purely because I haven't got any at the moment, so we'll see how she runs first, and if she's still a bit lumpy, then I'm going to go for some new leads. Let's put her back together and see how we go. I'm going to clean it off just inside the where the spark plugs go, just with a bit of petrol because it's looking a bit greasy there. I'm just going to give it a bit of a white round. Making sure nothing drops in. Now, plug 2, that's plug 3. Plug 2. We've got some damage to the cable here, I don't know if you can see that. It looks mainly external damage, but bearing that in mind. Actually, it is quite deep. I'll get you a close up on that, it is quite deep. I'm not enjoying that too much. That's on the second one. That seems to have got caught somewhere and heated. So I am going to replace the leads. I'm putting it back together for now, but I am replacing them leads. That's number 2 in. Tighten down number 2. Number two cap on. Push it down nice and firmly, and you'll hear it click, and it should completely seal the top of that. Number 3. Clean the plug. Get the squirt. Clean the plug. I said number 3, number 4 weren't too bad. So just a bit of a clean and a wipe off of them. Again, in with the tweezers. Put that in number 3. Keep putting it down. I keep losing what I put down. There it is. Number 3. Back on. That's on number 3. Number 4. The tweezers. Number 4 cap back on. Just make sure they're seated properly. Okay, so now we're going to hand first and get the socket onto them. Like I said earlier, it's a 12mm. It's all looking pretty clean. You can see in there. Now, I have been told that all the rubbers have been replaced. So, do you know, in my impatience and taking the word of the guy that I got it off of, I am going to put the airbox on, get the fuel tank back together, and get the battery on, fire her up and see how she actually runs. Right, put you down for a minute. So has it got a filter? See something there? Oh yeah. Alright, so I need to at least check the air filter before I put it back together. There's 4 Phillips head screws, so let's go with that one. for its head screws. And there's the air filter. Looks like it's brand new. It's looking brand new to me, so that's going to go straight back in.